Hello everyone. Here you have to get these hair and then get the braids made and then just get these hair more and more closer and you have to tie them and tuck them with the help of these small cute rubber bands. And now what we need to do, you have to get this hair out and get them tucked and made in this manner. You have to get this made and then you have to make this beautiful pattern out of this and convert them into a beautiful braid like this. And now just get your clips beautifully tucked. Isn't it amazing? Now here again what you need to do, you have to get your hair and get them beautifully made like this. Now here get your fingers and now you need to just get them made in this manner. Further what you need to do, you have to just secure it in this way, beautifully made in this manner. You have to make the braids like this, crisscrossing by taking the hair from each side and then beautifully making it into the French braid. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you guys for watching.